Taylor's University is offering for Bangladeshi students 30,000 ringgit to up to 60,000 ringgit scholarship for this upcoming April intake. Guaranteed 60,000 ringgit scholarship for all engineering students who wants to apply mechanical, electrical, civil and mechatronics engineering. We, Global Heights, will make sure you will get that scholarship. Taylor's University is QS ranking 253 and after completing your SSC, HSC, honors or O-levels, A-levels, you could apply in Taylor's University for their foundation, diploma, bachelor, masters and PhD program. Sign up now to make sure you get that scholarship.